Well, Clinton, the question of the day is, can you remember addresses easily?
Well, that depends on when I learned the address. So
Mm.
when I remember my parents' address, I remember my grandparents' address, and obviously I know where I live now. New addresses can be a bit of a problem, just
Mhm.
because I don't have to anymore.
Oh, got it.
Because now you can just put in the business name, and your little navigator will take you there.
Yeah, like it's
So
so
like, but
easier.
yeah, I can remember. Do what?
No, it's so easy, right, to
What did
remember
you say?
through
I
the
didn't hear you.
GPS.
Yeah, I mean, it can be easier until you have to write somebody a letter.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, imagine that. I noticed how fragile I became when I was in a big city here in Brazil, Clinton, and a lady she pushed me and my cell phone fell down under the subway. And the subway,
Oh no.
yeah, man. And then I didn't know my father's cell phone, my mother's cell phone, my wife's cell phone. I everything that I thought that I knew, it was inside that piece of shit that was my cell phone, and it didn't turn on anymore. Man, I could see, I
Oh,
could feel how fragile we are, and we don't even notice, you know? I don't know if I need
yes,
to
it's
remember
not good.
a cell phone number, for example, man, I'm dead. It's really, really terrible because I don't have memory for that anymore. Do you remember the cell phone numbers from your family, for example?
I know my parents, and that's
Mhm.
it. So like
Just
for
this.
anybody else in my family, my sisters, no idea. Spouse, no idea.
You
And that's
see?
because like I had to know my parents' cell phone numbers because, for a while I didn't have it, and well, I didn't have a phone, so if I needed to call them when they were out and about, I'd have to, get the house phone, and so that one I know, but any other one, mm-mm.
No way. You'd be dead the same way I was in São Paulo. Have you ever heard about São Paulo?
I know a little bit about it,
Yeah.
but not a whole lot.
Yeah.
Are
I
in the
didn't know too.
southeast, right?
Yeah, I mean, I live in the southeast of the country, but I live in the countryside part. And then I was there studying for an English course, an English teacher course. And that the second day I was in this course, this lady pushed me there, and my life turned into a hell that you can't imagine, boy. You can't imagine.
So do they have a so I kind of have a similar situation. I went to Canada one time, and I don't remember what the year was, but regardless, it was before I had a cell phone, that before I had a smartphone. Let me back that up. So I didn't the only time I had internet access was with my laptop in my hotel room. So where was I going with this story? So anyhow, if I had to navigate somewhere that I didn't know where it was, I had to look it up. Obviously, I didn't have a printer. Like, memorize the directions and hope that I didn't forget by the time I left my hotel room. Like, get out in the street and be like, now where was I going again? But one little saving grace was they in various places on the street, they had like a little street map. Do y'all not have that in Sao Paulo?
I guess they do, but especially in the subway stations. But I have never been there before. So I got so panic. I got so in panic that I couldn't think like, oh, I should
Mm.
get a computer. I should go somewhere to try to I didn't know anybody there. I was the strange there, you know? It was so crazy for
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Like, I was starting to freak out myself because like I made a wrong turn and was like, I don't remember where I am until I found one of those. I was like, okay, I think I want to get here, and this tells me I'm right here. So what? How can I map out this route?
Oh Lord,
Yeah,
no.
it was a little bit stressful, but it was also fun.
Yeah, I didn't feel the fun in my experience, man. I just feel the terror, the creepy moment. I just have bad memories from that day. But I had a great meal before. the fucking lady pushed me, pushed my cell phone there. It was a good day before that happening. Yeah.
Yeah, and also like, they're not expensive. I don't know when your experience was, but cell phones, they're not cheap. They never have been. So like that's all that money just gone.
I have the cell phone here to show you. Wait up.
Oh my goodness, I want to
I
see this.
spent almost 1,500 reals. Now it's working again.
What?
Check it out.
Let's see. Oh, look at it.
You see?
Mm-hmm. What's
This
that you got
is
on the
I
back?
can't listen to your voice because I removed my headset. Wait up. Now I'm listening to you again. Take a look.
Yeah, I'm part of this story. I want to see your stickers on the back.
Yeah, here.
Who are the people? Oh, so you got your VPFI, and then who's that along the edges?
Yeah. Check it out, man. Like it's working. Oh, it was. Yeah, but
Oh, there
it's
it goes. Yeah, it turned
you
on now.
know, yeah. And this is the new one. This is
Oh,
the
shiny.
yeah, it's beauty. So crazy. I like it.
Yeah,
But
you got.
man, that's it for today. Because if I start showing the cell phones here, we are going to take a whole another episode. And tomorrow I'll be back with you talking about a different subject. All right,
All
Clinton?
right. Sure.
Have a great one, my friend.
You too. Don't break any more phones.
All right, I won't. I probably won't. Okay, bye bye.
See ya.